How to upgrade the central control for the old car. Hello, everyone. Look at my car. There is only a radio function here. It feels very monotonous. I will modify this car. Make your car more advanced and rich. Follow me to finish watching slowly. Remove the dashboard shell first. Use the tool to pry it open again. The shell of the radio. The process is very easy. Then take it away. Put it on the side. Look at the 4 fixed positions in it. Let's take it off. Then remove the radio. Then unplug the back wire. This is what it looks like. Next, we will take out our products. Let's connect the wire first. It is very easy to operate here. If it is wrong, it can't be inserted. Finally, connect the navigation cable, because you can use navigation. Let's install it for him now. Let's see the completion effect. Let me turn on and test it. Good, let's test his function. I want to listen to music. Surprisingly, it reacts quickly. Let's try other functions again. Navigate to nearby gas stations. Very convenient and fast. Let's take a look at all the functions. It is very versatile. Thanks.